This tiny 8K 360 degrees camera destroys GoPro? PanoX V3 review you can't ignore. You ever hit that creative wall where nothing works, no matter how hard you push? You've got the vision, the story, the energy, but your gear? Total betrayal. Shaky footage, bulky setups, hours wasted on editing, missed shots because your camera couldn't keep up. That adventure footage looks more like potato quality. Even your best angles get crushed under poor stabilization, dead batteries, or gear that just doesn't play nice. It's not just annoying, it's straight up demotivating. You start asking, why even bother creating if the tools keep holding me back? Now imagine compounding that with deadlines breathing down your neck. You've got content to shoot, clients to impress, and memories that don't get a second take. But here you are, dragging through files, fixing glitches, drowning in post-processing just to make something half-decent. Your creative energy? Drained. The burnout's creeping in. Meanwhile, your competition's uploading slick, cinematic reels in real time. They're growing, and you're stuck cleaning up another corrupted render. It's not fair, right? You've got the talent, the ideas, but without the right gear, you're always 5 steps behind. That's the real creative tax, and it's brutal. Enter the Mentech PanoX V3, your all-in-one 8K 360 degrees content slayer. This waterproof beast captures 12K photos, records 8K 360 degrees videos, and streams in 4K live, right out of the box. It's got dual Sony CMOS sensors, real-time pilot steady stabilization, an invisible selfie stick effect, and a 3.0-inch touchscreen with full in-camera editing. No phone, no laptop, just shoot, trim, reframe, and post. It's got split screen, slow-mo, object tracking, built-in GPS, 60 megabits per second wireless transfers, and a hot swappable battery. And yes, it's fully waterproof up to 10 meters. This isn't just another action cam, it's a legit post-production studio in your pocket. Don't take our word for it. Verified buyers and seasoned creators are hooked. One travel blogger said, "It destroyed my GoPro Max, cleaner shots, smoother edits, zero overheating." An action sports photographer raved, "Used it snorkeling, no fog, no leaks, colors popped like crazy." A tech reviewer called it, "the most powerful pocket-sized camera I've tested in 2025. The in-camera editing has saved creators hours per shoot. The bullet time and split-screen modes? Chef's kiss. And with 12K dual-lens detail, vibrant HDR color, and a smartphone-style UI, your footage looks and feels epic. Whether you're into vlogging, FPV, biking, underwater madness, or just flexing creative muscle, this camera delivers next-level performance with zero post-headache. Don't sleep on this, stock moves fast. Creators worldwide are already switching to PanoX V3 and leaving clunky setups in the dust. If you're ready to level up your storytelling, this is your sign. Buy now, secure yours today, or risk waiting months for restock. You're one click away from stress-free, cinematic content that actually makes you proud to hit publish. So stop babysitting gear and start creating like a pro. Time's ticking. Make the move. Make it epic.